Hi Lana, welcome once again to Learner's Coach. So I want to take you through some of the best free online courses that will enable you have some skills or other experience on how to make money online. So you'll agree with me that nowadays people are really making a kill from these particular online platforms, be it YouTube, be it making money from affiliate marketing, be it making money from drop shipping. So these particular free courses, they're actually free, right? Will enable you actually understand how you can make money from these particular gigs. So as you can see, I've already opened one of the best websites, that is HubSpot. I normally use it for quite a number of tasks, but it also provides a very marketable or other courses that can always enable you make money online. As you can see, they have quite a number of free courses, right? Maybe I'll just sample a few of them. Like if you want to do or to have a proper YouTube marketing skills, it provides YouTube marketing course. So you can just right click and click on that. They also have digital marketing certification course, right? Which is also another best course for making money online, right? There's also digital advertising. So you can see only from one platform, you can actually do a lot of courses. You can see here they have how to build a paid media strategy. They are entirely free. I've done quite a number of them, right? You can also be taken through maybe some Twitter strategy courses, right? E-commerce marketing, right? So as you scroll, right, how to do some blogging, right? You can move to the next page. So in total, they provide up to, let's say, up to 45 free courses, right? Like the first one you have seen, YouTube course, you can see, learn how to grow your YouTube channel. So for those of us who are struggling, including myself, on how to grow our YouTube channels, this particular course will be ideal for us, right? So you learn how to increase your subscriber base, optimize your videos, right? So that is from one of their courses, and of course they also have this one, digital marketing, which is actually the best, right? Digital marketing course. It has quite a number of units that you can always pursue, right? So you can say it covers up to 9 topics, right? Developing of media strategies, you can say introduction to paid search advertisement. So these are good courses. They are very free, and you can see even the timing is not that lengthy. Yeah, so you can spare a few minutes of your time every day just to sharpen your skills, right? Now, apart from HubSpot, we have Allison. From a previous video, I think I've mentioned about Allison. Allison provides quite a number of free courses. They are very free. Now, what you need to do is just to sign up, right? And then you start accessing these various courses. So they offer certificate level courses, diploma level courses. Now, I've already signed up, so I'll just click on login and maybe see what we have there, right? So as I mentioned, they offer quite a number of courses and they are very free, right? And these particular courses, as I've already mentioned, you don't really need to maybe kill yourself with a lot of time. Just spare 2 or 3 minutes, right, every day, just to listen in, right, and you'll get quite some good information. So from Allison, you can always search for these particular courses, right? So let's say you come here. What do you want to learn from this part? One of them is drop shipping. Drop shipping is a very good money making skill that you need to learn. So you can see they provide free online drop shipping courses, right? So if you scroll down, you can see, right? So you can do this drop shipping with and affiliate marketing. It only takes 3 to 4 hours. You can also do drop shipping, bootstrapping, right? You can also learn how to do some kind of drop shipping business on Amazon, right? So you can just maybe click on this one and see what they require. So you can see here it will take you through 3 to 4 hours, and quite a number of learners have already enrolled, right? So if you scroll down, you'll see what you're going to learn: drop shipping and Shopify, suppliers and affiliate marketing. So it's quite a good course, and it's free. But if you want certificate now, you'll have to pay for it. But as you're just concerned with this particular free courses, so that is Allison. You can as well search for another very good course, that is affiliate marketing, right? And it's going to give you quite a number of options. As you can see, I always do some courses with them, so you can click on this and learn how to build a successful buyers list, how to start an online business in affiliate marketing, advanced online. So there are quite a number of courses that you can do here that will enable you at least have some experience or other skills on how to make money online. So maybe let's just sample one of their courses, like this one, Master Affiliate Marketing Step by Step. So you can see I'd already started doing this. So I'm not just showing you things that are not there. I actually take some time and do them. So you can see this one, they have 45,000 learners who have already enrolled. So you need to take between 1.5 hours to 3 hours of learning, right? So this, you are going to master affiliate marketing, right? Step by step guide, a very, very informative course, right? So you can just proceed. You can see it has a course description here. You can check the course description and you can begin. So I've already started learning. That's why it has this continue learning option, right? So that is Allison for you. We move on to OLSP system, right? Now this is purely for affiliate marketers. So if you want to learn about how to do some affiliate marketing, then you can always go to OLSP Academy. So you just need to look for olspsystem.com, right? You register, it's free, very, very free, right? Now, the good thing with OLSP system is that it offers quite a number of tools. Now, once you are done here, you can as well just maybe start making money from affiliate marketing going forward. So you can see here on the right side, there are quite a number of things. But one thing that you need to do is just to start the academic training. So if you click on academic training here, you'll see, you can see I've done quite a number of units, right? So it's just remaining unit 5. So you have to start with unit 1, right? So they're going to kind of just model you into their system, and now you can start making money. They also have the products that you can actually make money from, so you don't need to look for other options. So OLSP is another important platform that can always get some courses, free online courses that enables you to make money online. Now we move to Google. Google has been known to provide quite a number of free courses, as you can see, right? So it's up to you to create some time, like you can see, build your own online businesses, right? Now, if for example you want to start your blog, you want to do some kind of Google Analytics, you want to build some confidence in your communication, this is the platform to be. It also provides you with the existing digital tools, right? Like the tools such as searching, keyword tools, and of course it has also the analytics tools. There are quite a number of tools that Google will help you understand, and actually we use them, right? So one of the certificates that you can always get, or free course, is this one, a Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate. So you can see most people have enrolled, so you can always just click here to enroll and do these particular courses. So it has quite a number of units that you're going to learn, right? As you can see. So just proceed. So this one is provided through Coursera platform. Another one is the Google Analytics platform. Remember, they are moving to Google Analytics 4. So it's very, very important that at least you understand how you can analyze your data using the current option. Right now they're using universal analytics, so it's important that you understand how the current Google Analytics 4 is used. And then lastly on our list from Google is the fundamentals of digital marketing. These are very free courses that it's going to enable you have some good experience or other skills on how to make money online. So as you can see, there are quite a number of things that you are going to learn from this particular course. So I think this particular information has been helpful or useful. So should you find it maybe of interest, kindly just click on that like button. Also share this particular video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, thanks.